Hello guys, this is your friend Vidushi Medico. I'm back on the channel Step Up with Vidushi Medico. This is the second part of electron transport chain. I hope you all have must watched and also learned the complexes that I have explained in the part 1 video of electron transport chain, and you can also check the link in the description box. Now let's begin. So let's start with the electron transport chain. So this is the electron transport chain. This is the diagram that I have already shown in you in the part 1 of the electron transport chain. Now let's begin. Now I am going to explain you each step one by one. Let's start. See, this is complex 1. Okay, first let us recognize what are the complexes here. This is complex 1, this is complex 2, this is complex 3, and where is complex 4? This is complex 4, and ATP synthase hasn't been shown in this diagram. Alright, so now let's begin. Okay, so as you can see that NAD plus sorry FMN is getting converted to FES, okay, and this is NAD plus. Now NAD plus is going to facilitate this reaction, and hence you know that one molecule of NADH gives how many molecules of ATP? It produces 3 molecules of ATP, okay. So it is transferring the electrons, and you can see 4 protons are pumped out to the intermembrane space. This is the inner membrane, this is the matrix, and this is the intermembrane space. This is the mitochondrial intermembrane space. Now the electrons have been transferred to complex 1. Now the complex 1 will transfer its electron to, what is this? This is ubiquinone. Okay, in my previous video, the part 1 of this video, I have already told you that not just complex 1 transfers its electron to ubiquinone, but there is one more complex, that is FES, via FAD is transferring its electron to ubiquinone. Now ubiquinone will get converted to ubiquinol. That also I have told you in my previous video. I am telling everyone that before seeing this video you should watch the part 1 of the electron transport chain. In that I have explained you complexes, and with complexes I have also mentioned many steps. Here I am compiling everything, okay. So this was complex 1, it has got electrons, it has transferred it to ubiquinone. This is complex 2, it has got electrons, it has transferred to ubiquinone. Ubiquinone will get converted to ubiquinol. Now the electrons will be transferred to complex 3. Complex 3 is what? FES is getting converted to cytochrome B, then cytochrome C1. Again 4 protons are pumped out. You should remember this. You should remember what? That protons are being pumped out to which place? That is intermembrane space. This is intermembrane space. This is what? This is inner membrane, and this is matrix. This is matrix of this is matrix. Okay, so from once again I am explaining you the electrons have come from NAD plus. The electrons have come to complex 1. Now complex 1 has transferred to ubiquinone. Ubiquinone has also received electrons from complex 2. Ubiquinone, that was having a ketone group, got converted to alcoholic group. Now it is transferring electrons to complex 3. Okay, now complex 3 is transferring its electron to cytochrome C. Now there is a line that cytochrome is present where? It is present on the outer side of the inner membrane. You must remember this. This is actually very important from the need point of view. Okay. Now the cytochrome C has received the electrons from complex 3. Now the cytochrome C will transfer its electron to complex 4. What is complex 4? Cytochrome A, A3, and with 2 copper centers also. Now complex 4 is transferring its electrons to H plus, and you know that the final electron acceptor is none other than oxygen. So the final electron acceptor is none other than oxygen. You must remember this. This question has been asked multiple times in NEET exam. You should remember it, that the final electron acceptor is oxygen, and after oxygen the electrons will be passed to ATP synthase from F0 to F1. Okay, I hope electron transport chain is clear to each one watching this video. Okay, so one message for all the students out there, but before that, please subscribe my channel. I really work really very hard for these videos. So thank you so much for watching my video, and please subscribe the channel Step Up with Vidushi Medico. And the surprise is that there will be a part 3 also of electron transport chain. So you all must be wondering now what is left of electron transport chain. Very important topic, that is inhibitors. Inhibitors are still left, and that I will cover in part 3 of this video of the electron transport chain. And one more thing, please stay tuned. I am going to upload chapter wise NCERT class 11th biology, and so please subscribe the channel.